Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. In his farm he had a duck. With a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack everywhere, quack quack. Old McDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. I love you. I love you, Rico. Rico.
You just ain't gonna talk, are you?
Say something. Rico. Say something, Rico. Say something. Say something, Rico. You're so cute. Pretty bird, pretty bird, pretty bird. Pretty bird, pretty bird, pretty bird. Pretty bird. Pretty bird, I love you. Pretty bird, pretty bird. Old McDonald had a farm, and on his farm he had a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Here a quack everywhere, quack quack. Old McDonald had a farm, he had and on his farm he had a quack quack here and a quack quack there. I love you, Rico. I love you.
What you doing? Already cooked? What the hell you cooking? Huh? What you cooking? Rice.
This video you saw me talking to my brother's 20-year-old macaw parrot, trying to get her to sing to me. Her name is Rico. Sometimes she talks, but not when you want her to, so yeah. Well, please excuse my voice. I know it sounds like I'm a little kid, but I was just trying to get the bird to talk to me.